The next, all right, flipping the script. Why we are flipping the script? Let me please explain also. क्या बात है वाह अवार्ड मिलेगा आपको very nice. So I'm going to welcome on stage Mr. Sunil Chetri, Mr. KL Rahul, Mr. Ahan Shetty, Mr. Washington Sundar, and focused Indian. Guys, make some noise. What's happening with you? I can't hear you. I said make some noise. All right, all right. One moment. All right. All right. Gentlemen, I would request you all to please thoda come in front. Yes. All right. Basically, sir, now we have to do a memory challenge. Not a memory challenge. We have to do the same fan quiz. अरे अरे डांटो मत मुझे यार. Guys, can you all please sit down? Stage से भी दिख रहे हैं सब लोग. Guys, please sit down, guys, please. Gentlemen, please, they are here. They are right here. They are right here, guys. Please sit down. चलो दोस्तों, चलो. Sir, सीट से भी आ जाएगी फोटो. Please, guys, please sit down. All right. So, I think you'll have to wear this, and we'll have to basically give him hints about which player is going to be without naming him, and he has to name the player. Basically, yeah, you have to give him stats about which team he's from, which country he's from, and stuff like that, and you have to guess. Everything, sir. Everything is wrong with me. There's nothing right with me right now. So that आपको screen, हाँ, yeah. Yeah. So basically, yeah. So yeah, this is one of it. You can hold this.
Oh, even we don't know.
No, you'll be giving him hints, basically.
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll be giving him hints. You'll be giving him hints. Sir. All right. Are we ready? Are you guys ready? मैं साइड हट जाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं रेडी नहीं हूँ. All right. Sunil sir, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. You have the mic. Yeah. You want a mic?
Yeah. Should I start? Okay. Is he ready? Check. Okay. So the first clue is he's the only Indian player to have appeared in a friendly match against Manchester United. Do you want me to repeat it, sir?
No, I think sadly it's me.
सात करो. No, one more time. So.
Can I say something about this game?
Yes, please.
How many of you are Man United supporters here? All right, so this is the time when Manchester United used to lose 3 or 4 games an entire year when Sir Alex Ferguson was there, and they came to play a summer friendly against Kansas. I was in US. We were 10 men down, and we won the game 2-1. Why I'm saying why I'm saying this, because when we were warming up, we used to play a lot of games on television, on FIFA, and when we were warming up, the Giggsy, the Scholes, the Berbatov, everyone was there, and it was outstanding, and we thought we were going to get thrashed, but thankfully, even being 10 men, we beat them 2-1. So that's why that day was special.
Give it up, guys, give it up! Sir, the blindfolds are back. Washington, sir.
I mean, I don't know how it's going to get a lot more much told the whole story. But yes, he spent his early professional years playing for a club named after a 19th century philosopher in a city that treats sports like religion.
That's it? A player who used to play for a club which, what?
He spent his early professional years playing
Okay.
for a club.
Playing for a club, named after a 19th century. It's very.
500 रुपए ले लो, एक हिंट और दे दो यार.
सर एक हिंट तो मैं दे सकता हूँ आपको वैसे. मतलब वहाँ पे अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही थोड़ा बवाल हो गया था. That's the least.
That's all the cities in the world.
That's the last thing I can say.
मेरे 500 रुपए वापस करो. Okay, he is the player who is.
It's not a player. I think it's a club. if I'm
Oh,
not
it's a
wrong.
club
Yes, it's a club. It's one of the most oldest clubs in India.
in India.
Yes.
Name after a philosopher.
Yeah. Named after a philosopher.
It's either East Bengal or Mohun Bagan. Mohun Bagan?
Yes, that's right. Mohan Bagan. It is. यहाँ पे नहीं है सर. ये आपकी फोटो हम लगाएंगे. इसके बाद कुछ नहीं लगाएंगे हम.
एक तुक्का मारा है मैंने.
हाँ वो सही
दो ही पुराने हैं.
एकदम सही
Clubs,
तुक्का है.
yeah.
Han, your turn.
He is one of the top 3 goal scorers in the international goal record.
Top 3?
Goal scorers.
Ronaldo, Alidai, Messi. I don't know. Fourth me, yes.
Who's it? Well, I mean,
Has to be Ronaldo, then Messi, then
yeah,
Alidai,
that's right.
then four.
Yeah, but there's no name here.
There's no name here. Wow, that means you're right, sir. You're right. Again, amazing. You're right.
Hey, who is the organizer here, man?
Not me. I told you.
Hey, the fans are excited. We traveled from so far, and you couldn't get a question right.
Well, as I said, everything's wrong with me. Kale, it's your turn.
Again,
Rahul, please check for the answers there.
there is no answer. There is no
There
answer.
is no answer, sir. Whatever you say is going to be right.
Let's see, maybe it's another question about yourself only. He signed a 3-year deal in West London in 2009, but a work permit rejection based on a national ranking.
So you just made me come over here to feel sad about myself. I signed a deal with QPR, and then I was denied the work permit because our country didn't fall in the first 70 of world ranking. I was sad for some time, but then I kept going. Good things happen. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was me.
कौन लिख रहा है भाई?
Well, this amazing quiz, whoever has written it, I shall meet you backstage. Maybe not.
To be honest, on a serious note, very sorry for wasting your time, man.
This is absolutely. I can hold that. You want to? Yeah. I'll keep it safe with me. All right. Okay, guys. Let's move forward. So now we have a face-off that everyone's really hyped about. It's between Team KL versus Team Sunil Chetri. KL Rahul versus Sunil Chetri, 2 legends and 2 tournament champions. So 2 tournament champions will be joining you guys for a matchup. You all can sit. We'll call you back on stage in a moment.
Okay.
Sunil sir and KL sir, you'll be joined by 2 tournament champions, 1 full match. So the mobiles are ready.
You're playing as each other.
Yes, against.
You get one guy, I'll get one.
Yeah.
A winner. Oh, hi.
Any favorites here? Team Sunil Chhetri versus Team KL Rahul.
I'm on Sunil Chetri's team.
All right. यार, we can do better than that, guys. Come on. सोनू, फोन पे नहीं, चिल्लाना पड़ेगा सोनू. Come on. All right. Team KL versus Team Sunil. Can we please have it on screens? All right, we are about to start any moment. As I said, there are drum rolls behind, but silently, so that we don't have noise pollution here.
Somebody should have paid for the Wi-Fi, man.
Absolutely, sir. Somebody should have paid for a lot of things. Sir, वो 500 है मेरे पास अभी, just saying. I'll take care of it.
लेफ्ट वाला फोन आरएम वाईफाई में आ गया मैच आ गया
All right. The beauty of the face cards on screen. Let's go.
There's the whistle, and here we go. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Well, Peter, I like the look of this guy, Kai Harris. I felt a little sorry for him when he first arrived in English football because I don't think he was playing in his correct position. And I know he was helped, but all the help in the world can't always make it work. You have to make it work yourself. And he is stuck.
Takes the shot! That was no routine save.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
Hostel with their first quarter. First of the game for either side, actually.
Arsenal certainly could do with a positive spell for the remainder of this.
Thank you enough for our champions to join us with Mr. Sunil Chhetri and Mr. Kiran Rahul. We'll have the fans now. Can we please have the fans to get out of the match? Yeah? Yes? Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Give it up for the champions, man. Give it up for the champions. Give it up for Sunil, sir. And Mr. Kiran Rahul. So we have, do you have the fans here? Yes, yes. Yes. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Pawan.
Your name is Pawan. I also know you as Mr. Tom Boy in the house, everybody. And what's your name? Afzal. Do you have a stage name or something? BMG. Give it up for BMG, everybody. Let's go. All right. Rahul, you have a chance to introduce yourself. Let's go. So he said,
Hey, both of our fans?
yeah.
You looks like a gamer, man.
I mean, just gamer and fans, you know. Like let's keep it like that. Only. We got it back here this time, you know. Alright, mind games in the house, suspense music. Please play some suspense music without us hearing it. भाई इतना जोर का यौन मेरा यहाँ तक दिख रहा है. Alright. Bro. Alright. Alright guys, I need your everything right here. The Wi-Fi is acting up. I need your to stop using the internet for mobile. सब तो Wi-Fi के ऊपर एक्सेस कर रहे हैं. चल ही नहीं रहे.
दबाएंगे तो रोल ऐसा तो दबाना नहीं क्यों कॉपी कर रहा है बाइक
Please loading. Alright guys. Alright. Oh. Okay. Alright. Is it recording still? It is still. Guys, जिसने भी Wi-Fi में connect किया है ना, it's gonna be guys. It is still loading. It is. I think it's time for another Q&A. Sonu. Sonu. Sonu, only the favorite. Mr. K. Rahul. What about sir? हाँ, Mr. Sunil Shetty है यार. ये तो नहीं, दो लोगों में पैर नहीं रख सकते, तुम मजे लेकर नहीं हो. तुम सोलो. Alright.
सुनेंगे मुझे तो सारा
Alright, awesome. Yes. Give it to go. Battle of the Titans, Team KL. Rahul versus Team Shetty. Song about redemption. Will Team KL Rahul redeem itself? Or will Team Sunil Shetty be dominant in this one as well? Guess what? We get to know in the next 3 minutes. Once the game has loaded. In you all can listen to this amazing. Wow. Alright. Yeah, no, yeah. Sorry, Rahul. He knew he was a world champion. It's not your team. Not bad time, man. Amazing. Thank you so much, man. I don't love you right now, but thank you so much. Hey, the best part is I asked my partner, how are you? I'm all right. Good. Okay? He's a world champion. You're a world champion. Can you play with one hand only? Just asking. Just asking what the challenge is. Can you play with your eyes closed? Not that. Awesome. Just balance in the stage there. That's good. आप बहुत भारी डिस्कशन चल रहा है पता है क्या मतलब है He's trying to change the game. I think he knows what he's doing. Yeah. Let's go. KL, I'm on your side.
teams have been changed. But has the Wi-Fi been changed? Absolutely not.
Here, horse shooting, skies are clear, the noise is nervous, the atmosphere frenetic. This is Peter Drury, and next to me, providing insights, will be Jim.
Right. Team Sunil moves out to the finals of Battle of Titans. Next up is Team Ahan versus Team Washington. Any guesses who's winning? Place your bets. Washington? Who? All right. Any other guesses? No? Shantanu, are you placing your bets on this one? Love it, job well done. All right, guys, warm up your hands. Select your teams. This is about to get very serious, huh, guys? I'm just saying. There's a lot of, you saw the friendly banter between Mr. Sunil Chetri and Mr. KL Rahul. So I expect nothing less. I mean, friendly banter or sledging, whatever you may call it. All right. सोनू हुआ सब अरे बोल दे कुछ भी बोल दे मुझे कौन जीत रहा है
जीतते हुए
देखते हैं अभी ऑफ कोर्स देखते हैं अभी मिस्टर ऑब्वियस देखते हैं अभी वाओ सच अ ऑलराइट द टीम्स आर सेट आर यू गाइस एक्साइटेड We're on the semi-final. Let's go, let's go. Sweet. फोन ही निकाल रहा है तू यार क्या कर रहा है सवाल पूछ रहा है जवाब नहीं दे रहा है
To those who have joined us all here on a beautiful clear evening, the conditions contributing to a fantastic atmosphere in the stands. This really is the place to be. I'm your commentator, Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Beglin.
Well, I can tell you, I'm truly delighted to join you, Peter, and thank you very much for that.
Expectations and decibels both rising fast here. Things are heating up and we'll be getting underway very soon. And already we're underway here. He's picked his way through. There's the delivery.
Yeah, I think if that can be repeated, there's a good chance of a goal.
Rice, Dani Olmo, and it's Kunde. And they've switched it over to the other side.
Good ball, that too.
And Kubasi, Spread out to the left. Calafiori. Bruno Fernandes with the slide tackle there. Ugarte. First quarter of an hour gone. Out of play for a throw. Yoro. Pressing high and with purpose. Now it's Xerxes. And it's Kunde. No way through. Great vision. Saka. Menu. Ugarte. To Bruno Fernandes. Matheus Cunha. Neither of these two want to come off second best. Now it's Saka. And here's Dani Olmo. That's really well manoeuvred. Not the worst cross in the world, but still room for improvement. Rafinha! Good try, very good try in fact.
Well, he does strike a very pure ball, doesn't he? It's great technique.
Casemiro. Now it's Matheus Cunha. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. Played out to the right. That pass isn't the best. Oh, can he get onto this? Calafiori. Nicely weighted ball. Great chance! Oh, he's done it!
Let's go.
It was casual, it was careless, and it has proven costly.
Manchester United really were asking for trouble there by failing to cope with a formidable press.
And that ends it! What an ending. How about that?
Well, what it could have
That was
gone
a
either
golden
way,
goal, I
as
think.
both teams desperately tried to win this, which
All right.
produced a
I
really
think
exciting
Team
end-to-end
Washington moves on to
encounter.
the
If only
finals
every
ring.
game was like this
Team
one.
Sunil. Give it up for Team Ahan, everybody.
Remains for me is
It was a difficult one. Thank you so much, Ahan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, Irshad. All right, Team Sunil versus Team Washington. Are you guys excited? कौन जीत रहा है? All right, you know, Team Sunil. We here. What else we here for? All right, till the time he's here, okay? Who's ready to take a selfie with Mr. Sunil Chetri? All right, who's extremely excited to take a selfie? Raise both your hands. And please clap for him, guys. Such a legend of the game. You know, you already know what मैं क्या ही बोल रहा हूँ. But nevertheless, the amount of I think इसमें भी sledging थोड़ा होना चाहिए, you know. We need some friendly banter in the garb of sledging. All right, till the time he's here. आज मजा आया कि नहीं? नहीं आया? नहीं आया? Wow, very nice. I'll see you outside. Just say yes, man. Come on. Thanks, guys. Thanks. So sweet, you guys. But yeah, are they here? Not yet. All right.
बाइट करने के लिए उधर ही रुकना है साइड आओ जनरल वाले
Let's go, let's go, let's make some noise, everyone. Come on. All right, it's going to be a golden goal. Just one goal, and we're good to go. All right. Any guesses who's winning? Sunil sir. Wow, this game is rigged, I feel.
No tricks, Sunil.
Some friendly banter once again, guys, in the garb of sledging. I love it.
I like how you say friendly banter, but that's all allowed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Only friendly banter.
Yes, absolutely.
You should come and play football, Washington once. You can say whatever you want, minus the referee.
All right, things have already heated up. So, I think phones have loaded up. Yes, almost there. So you want to say something back? The stage is already
Well,
off.
I guess football is too heated for me, so not for now. Only the games. As long as you're not going to show any tricks.
अबे चालू है अभी रुक
Once again with against Man United.
And indeed the
This
power
is a
battles
throwback.
since the days when both these teams were perennial winners. But one thing remains unchanged. They cannot stand losing to each other. Well, it looks like a big game, sounds like a big game. Everyone involved is absolutely up for it.
Well, this is undoubtedly a mouth-watering encounter. Certainly it has played a significant part in the history of the English game. You can always count on there being something dramatic happening when these two come together. But there have been a fair share of grinds too. I'm expecting both sides to try and maximise their attacking threat, because when you look back over the years, the potency has been the big factor with these two teams, and always a hard one to call, but never far from exciting.
And if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. In it goes again!
Wow. All right. That was close.
That is glorious.
All right, guys. आवाज रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. Sunil sir. Sunil.
And while many managers lashed out at it, he took his time and he put it where very few can.
Damn, that was a good goal, man. That was a good goal. Washington Sundar. क्या सुंदर गोल था. Amazing. Give it up for Washington Sundar, everybody, and Team Washington is the champion for tonight in football, along with Team Sunil as the runners up for tonight. This is a golden goal. All right.
अरे तुम्हारे आदमी को हटाओ भाई आगे से तुम्हारे आदमी को हटाओ आगे से
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Washington. All right. As we come to the close of an unforgettable evening, I'd like to invite Mr. Junichi Taya back on stage for the closing note. Can we please have Mr. Junichi Taya on stage? Guys, आवाज आनी चाहिए. सुनील सर.
अरे तुम्हारा आदमी कितना घुस के शूट करता है भाई जूम वूम नहीं दिए हो क्या तुम्हारे आदमी को
Not on the flag, guys, please.
अरे उनको पैप मत बोलो भाई भाई
Just keep enjoying sports, stay healthy, and see you hopefully soon. Thank you. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure having you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
आन भाई गाड़ी इधर है बाय चलो चलो दादा हो गया दादा ये चलो भाई चलो
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
हेलो हेलो जिसका बोल रहा उसका फोटो मैं बाहर मारा हूँ वही टाइम पे अरे मेरे पास कैमरे में वो है शूट है उसका अरे मेरे कैमरे में टाइम रिकॉर्ड होता है उसको बोल रहा हूँ बाहर आ सुन नहीं रहा 2 मिनट रुको अभी
सुनिए सर 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 सर
हाथ नीचे कर
सर वन सर वन सर
101 सर सर
हाय वशी
सर सर सर
प्लीज सर प्लीज सर सो प्लीज
छोड़ो भाई जानने बहुत भगवान सर नहीं को अच्छा
मुझे देंगे ऐसे
क्या देंगे सर रो रहे ब्रेकअप हो गया जान दो
सो वन सर प्लीज सर नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लीज पहनी नहीं है भाई
पहनी नहीं तो क्या मांग रहे हो
पेन है क्या
वॉशिंग मशीन बोल रहा हूँ उधर से वॉशिंग मशीन बोलता है
सर